And mahaba.
Surprise dessert.
Surprise dessert, yes. We're making a dessert, or Berna's making a dessert, out of oranges, yes. So what she's done, she's hollowed the oranges out. And we're taking the contents out of it. I'll show you how she does it. Just make sure when you do your preparation work, you clean your oranges first, because the oranges will probably have chemicals on them. So always give them a wash first in vinegar, soak them in water. It looks hard. You want me to try and do one for you?
No thanks.
You're doing Dolma oranges. How do you say orange in Turkish, Akin?
Portakal.
Portakal. Dolma portakal.
Vallahi aferin.
Dolma portakal.
Dolmanın bile nasıl yapıldığını öğrendin. Tebrik ediyorum. Tebrik. Portakal, please say.
Portakal.
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 Orada kal.
Portakal. Portakal.
Portakal.
I love. Ben ask portakal.
Çok severim portakalı.
Ben ask portakal.
Bu da sulu suluymuş. Baksana. Okey. Portakal. Orada kal.
So what are we making, Akin?
Portakal. Orada kal.
Chocolate orange. A family recipe?
No, everyone knows.
Many people know.
Yes, many people know.
Except for me. And except for lots of other people on YouTube that don't know this.
I am making now with different way.
Making a different way. Teşekkür, Akin.
Rica ederim.
Rica ederim.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Look, it's snowing, Akin. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, but it's snowing.
Şimdi parçalıyoruz bisküvitleri.
What sort of biscuits are you using, Akin?
Petit beurre.
We have the same sort of thing back home.
Yes.
But they're called super wines.
If we use
These ones.
yes, this one better.
And again, you measure by your hands and by your eyes.
As usual.
Yeah, as usual.
Annemden öğrendim. Mommy
Mummy
taught me.
taught you. And you're going to use the whole box, the whole packet.
Whole box.
May I have a biscuit, please?
Oh my God.
My mouth is watering for a biscuit.
Your favorite biscuit.
My favourite biscuits, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Are they your dad's favourite biscuits?
But you don't need to eat.
No, you're right. Oh, thank you, Akin.
Rica ederim.
Get this in focus. Thank you. Yum.
Rica ederim.
So Ben's just putting some dark chocolate into a pot. How much butter are you going to put in there?
Not too much.
Not too much. That looks like about 25 grams.
20.
About 25 grams there. Of butter. There was about 1.5 packets of chocolate went into this pot. And Berna's just going to add some of this cocoa into it. And this is, how many grams is this?
Şimdi yumurta kıracağız.
Doesn't say. Oh yeah, 25. Can you get that in focus? Yes, 25 grams of cocoa. Just collecting the white part of the egg.
Powder
Of sugar
sugar,
into the cocoa.
egg.
egg white in there, cocoa and powdered sugar.
Kakao, yumurtanın akı ve çok azıcık.
Milk in there.
Tutması için, yumurta akını tutması için. Like glue.
Mixing it all up.
Portakalın içini boşalttık. Bunun içinde mozaik yapıyoruz.
Okay.
Mozaik pasta.
Tamam.
Mozaik. Do you know mozaik pasta?
Yeah. You're gonna layer it. Yes. Big job.
Like dolma.
Like dolma, but chocolate instead. That's pretty good. Oh, I see.
And
a bit of the chocolate on top. Wow, that's a lot of chocolate. Yum.
oh, I know you are a chocolate lover.
I'm a chocolate lover. There'll be a lot of other people out there who are chocolate lovers too. And you put it in the fridge, do you?
Yes, and then
You eat.
eat. Portakal.
Mutla portakal.
Orada kal.
Portakal.
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 Orada kal.
Portakal. Portakal, ortakal. Mutla. Mota.
And
Yummy. Let's take the top off so you can see what's inside. Look at that. Can't believe it.
can you see?
Yeah. You just had enough.
Yes, I told you. My hands
And
eyes
are
are better
than measurements.
than me. Yes.
Yes, this just proved it. All we have to do now is just put them in the freezer and let them sit there until they go hard, and then they'll be ready to eat. Awesome. Now you're now you're probably wondering what we're going to do with the rest of the orange. What a waste of orange, you're probably saying. Well, no, we're going to eat it right now. Orange lover too. Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun.
Yeah, and thank you very much for watching our channel, and thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you. Hey, hello everyone. Now this is the second day, day 2, and we're in the freezer, and Benna's just going to take the lid off one of them. There you go. And she's going to cut it in half, cut it into 4 pieces. We're about to have a cup of coffee, filtered coffee of course, and a piece of this. Wow.
Mozaik pasta. Portakal.
Doesn't that look nice? Yummy. And thank you very much for watching.